Hello everyone, today we'll talk about question words. I'll share with you the words that we use in order to form a question with examples. So like this video and let's start. We'll start with the word شو, which means what. For example, شو اسمك? What's your name? For female. شو اسمك? What's your name? For male. شو في ما في? Like what's your news? شو بدك? What do you want? For male. شو بدك? What do you want? For female. As for where, it's very close in Arabic to English. So in Arabic we say when. For instance, وين رحتي? Where did you go? وينك? Where are you? For female. وينك? Where are you? For male. So I use when, then I add the letter kaf in order to say you. وينك? For female. وينك? For male. And by the way, there is a song named وينك for a singer that I really love so much. Her name is Abir Name, in case you wanna check it. Now, who, in Arabic we say مين, like who is there? مين هون? As for an example, if someone knocks on the door, we ask مين, then he may answer with his name. Sometimes if unregistered number is calling you, you can answer with مين معي, literally who is with me, but in English it's like whom I'm talking to. Now when, in Arabic, إمتى. We can have an example here, a wife with her husband. The daily question is إمتى جاية على البيت? When will you come home? Actually, we use it in another way. Like, let's say I don't like meats. And one day, in a friend gathering, I ordered meat for lunch. My friends can tell me من إمتى? Since when? Now, about what? In Arabic, we say عن شو. Literally is about what. So عن is about, شو is what. In general, in Arabic, if you want to ask any question, you just need to change your tone of voice. Like you don't need do you in Arabic. For instance, I'm drinking water and my friend is next to me. I can ask him, بدك? Like, do you want water? So that's for male. If I want to ask my female friend, بدك? Now why? ليش? We have a common joke in Arabic. If someone asks you ليش and you don't have an answer, you can say مشان قطيش. مشان means for, but قطيش really has no meaning. Now how much? قد. So if you are in a market and you wanna ask about the price of something, you can say بقد هي. So I add بقد هي, like how much is this? That's simple. We use قد also for asking about your age. In Arabic, قد عمرك for female, قد عمرك for male. How old are you? This was our video for today. Like this video and see you soon.